Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G06 Power, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first you have to open your camera app. Now in photo panel you will notice timer icon at the top of the list. Just mark and then select 3 or 10 seconds delay, whatever you need. Let me go with 10 seconds and then click on camera shutter. The photo will be grabbed. You will be able to see the countdown on the screen. Also, if you have your phone sounds on, it's not on muted, you will be able to hear the whole countdown, and that's it. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.